How to screen record on your iPhone with microphone support. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So in order for you to work, you will have to make sure that this screen record button is available on your control center. You can make sure of this by going to the settings app, and over here you can see in the control center whether or not the screen record button is available for you. If it is not, all you have to do is click on the add button and it will be there. Once you're done with that, now all you have to do is before you press record or during the recording session is going on, all you have to do is long press, and over here on the bottom part of the screen you can see the microphone off option. So currently it is in the off mode, but as soon as I click on it, it'll go into the on mode, wherein it will record all the audio which is going in through the phone's microphone. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on the video on what next videos we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.